In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a new Google form and embed it into your website. Then, we will show you how to create a new Google Sheet that tracks the form submissions. To begin, navigate to docs.google.com/form. Here, you will see any forms you've previously created and an area to create a new blank form or a new form from a pre-made template. For this example, we will choose to create a new blank form. We will be creating a simple contact form for a website for this example. Start by adding the title, Contact Us. Next, we will create the form fields. There will be one field by default. You can choose to create a field from one of the offered types, which includes things like text boxes, drop-down lists, checkboxes, and more. For this form, we will create the name first and choose Short Answer. Next, create a new question and name that one Email. Choose Short Answer for this one as well. Finally, add the last question named Message and choose Paragraph for the type. This will allow multiple line responses in this field. Each question can be a required field, and for this form, I actually want all of the fields to be filled out. Toggle the required option at the bottom for each question to make them required. Next, you can adjust the theme if you wish. There is an option to upload a header image, which will change the color palette based on your image upload. For this example, I will upload my logo. Once uploaded, I will play around with the color options to find one that I like. Then, I will publish the form. Once the form is published, click the 3 vertical dots next to the Publish button to open the menu and then click Embed HTML. This will bring up a pop-up that will have options for height and width. Adjust those based on your preference and then copy the HTML to embed into your web page. For my example, I will create a new HTML file using my favorite IDE. Then, I will copy the HTML into my web page. Let's preview the page now to see the form. You will now see the form on the page. We will now test the form by submitting some test information to verify the data is being captured where we want it to be. Submit the form and then go back into the Google Forms dashboard. From your form, choose the Responses tab. Click the link in the top right corner to link your form to a Google Sheet. Give it a name and click Create. The Google Sheet will now open in a new window. Here, you will see the test information that we submitted. This is an easy way to get a form onto a web page quickly without needing to set up any sort of custom database or complicated API integration. Thanks for watching.